Okay, we'll record once we have identified each of these additional information that we have to do the adjustment, and we will proceed with the journal entry. Okay, so for A, okay, this one is for A. Debit, credit. Okay, so we're going to record the supplies expense. Debit supplies expense. And credit supplies account. Okay, the amount is 890. 8890. Okay. Okay, proceed with B. We're going to record the insurance that expires. Okay, so debit insurance expense 305. Credit prepaid insurance 305. Okay, then C. C is depreciation, so debit depreciation expense credit accumulated depreciation office equipment. Okay, one moment. Okay, 4950. Right, we'll proceed with D. So this is to record the wages payable, wages that we haven't paid. So debit wages expense credit wages payable. Four 40 E. So we're going to record the accrued expense. Accrued fees. Sorry, yeah, accrued fees. Accrued fees is you have performed the services and you have to record the fees earned, but you haven't received any money yet. Okay, so the accounts involved is accounts receivable. Okay, accounts receivable 1000, credit fees earned 1000, and this is F. F is what? We record the we have to adjust the unearned fees. Okay, so debit unearned fees and credit fees earned. Okay, 500. Right, so we have done all the general entries, huh? Okay, right. So we can proceed with the next step, okay, which is we have it would be advisable to copy back all the accounts into this side, okay. Hope you can see. Okay. Right, this is okay. So open another sheet. Okay. So copy back all the accounts: cash, accounts receivable, CEI. Supplies, big insurance, office equipment, accumulated depreciation, office equipment, accounts payable, unearned fees, Encik Tahir, capital. This is the on equity. Encik Tahir, this one owing. Fees earned. Okay, and then we have wages expense, session expense, rent expense, then expense. Okay, and then we have utilities. Supplies, expense. Okay, insurance expense. And we have lastly miscellaneous expense. Okay. This is this is unadjusted. Maybe this is debit, credit. Okay, later on. Okay, debit side cash 3, 4, 5. 7,000 1270 620 51650 9700 9250 office equipment correct 95 wages. There is wages payable. Okay, I need to insert some wages payable. One, 250 29,000, and we have drawing 5200, fees earned 125, 22415 0 400 2715 0 0 1505. Okay, let's try to total. Okay, 100,000 both. Okay, now I'm trying to. Okay,